Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to fix some files or folders are showing washout color in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see here on my desktop screen. So you can see on the left side this respective folder as well as this respective file is showing a washout color, and on the right side you can see the normal color of this respective folder as well as the normal color of this respective file. So you might be thinking why this respective folder as well as this respective file is showing a washout color, right? So in order to fix this thing, what you need to do is just right mouse click on it, and you can see here properties, just click on it. Now here you can see one option written hide and write, so just untick it and click on apply, click on OK. Now you can see it has returned to the normal color. So similarly you can do the same thing with the respective file. So just right mouse click on it, click on properties. Now just untick this hide and option, click on apply, click on OK. Now finally you can see it is back on the default color. So by using this method you can easily fix some files or folders are showing washout color in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.